Hello, it's Tom again, and today we're discussing compost. This is my bin. You can see a lot of the compost in here is already fully broken down and turned into soil, or well, compost, completed compost. But you see, you've got corn husks and bits of Timothy hay and alfalfa, a composted garbage bag, straw, all that stuff. Just busted up eggshells. Over here, we've got the ingredients, or some of the ingredients I put in regularly. Veggie scraps, coffee filters, and eggshells, that we just keep on the counter instead of throwing in the garbage. A pail of water. And over here is a mix of nastiness. It's a sourdough starter, which is actually pretty good. And also a lump of goat cheese that sat in the back of the fridge and got forgotten about and started to turn green. But all of that contains things like, yeast, lactobacillus bacteria, and, other things that are good for your compost. So the thing is, before you put this crud in there, you notice I use this pitchfork to dig a hole. It's important you actually bury that in the center of the compost, or else you will get critters. Then we're just going to toss this stuff on top of that stuff. And we're going to let everything backfill in over the hole, give it a turn, and then dump in our pail of water. And that is how you basically make really good compost for your garden. And you just turn it into the soil and you'll have a very healthy garden. And that's it.